How's it going, everyone? Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you on how you can use the sweep tool in Onshape CAD. So it's going to be extremely simple. The first thing that you want to do is to simply draw your shape or your sketch. So in my case, I'm going to be drawing from the top plane right here. Let's click on sketch. Let's click on the top origin. And of course, you can edit this out the way you want to. You can measure everything out, but to make things easier, I'm just going to draw a circle onto the middle point. And then basically I'm good with this one. And now we want to add our path by heading over into something like our front plane right here. So basically with this one, I'm going to do something like adding another sketch onto the front plane. And then let's draw our pathway by using this spline option. So in my case, my sweep tool will go something like this. And then you can hit on the enter button, which will finish out our sketch right here. So once again, just click on checked. And now we could do the sweep function. So click on sweep. You then want to select your face. In our case, it's going to be this circle. Click sweep path, and then we could click on the path that we have drawn. So it's going to be this one. And so basically is use those paths and the face that we have made in order to achieve this sweep function right here. And so guys, if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. And as always, thanks for watching.